Hi everyone, this is the 128th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice problem from the concept of rationalization of complex numbers. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says 8 minus I over 1 minus 2 times I is equivalent to which of the following complex numbers? So we have been provided the ratio of two complex numbers 8 minus I over 1 minus 2 times I, and we have to find out this particular number is equivalent to which of the following 5 options, right? So essentially we have to rationalize the denominator, because in the denominator we have a complex number and we have to rationalize it, and because it is a complex number, the rationalizing factor would be the conjugate of this complex number. Now what is the conjugate of the denominator? Well, the denominator itself is 1 minus 2 times I, so its conjugate would be 1 plus 2 times I. So then our original expression, which is 8 minus I, which is the iota, divided by 1 minus 2 times iota, and can we write it like this, 8 minus I, and now we are going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the rationalizing factor, which is the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate would be 1 plus 2 times I, and in the denominator of course it will be 1 minus 2 times I multiplied by 1 plus 2 times I. So from here this is equal to, in the denominator it will be 1 squared minus 2 times I squared, whole squared I mean, and then in the numerator let's do the multiplication, so that would be 8 plus 16 times iota minus 1 times iota and minus 2 times iota squared. And from here we can say, well, in the denominator we now have 1 plus 4, because iota squared is negative 1, so that would be 1 square is 1 minus 4 times iota squared is negative 1, and in the numerator we have 8 plus 15 times iota and minus 2 times negative 1, that is iota squared, and then in the next step we can write it like this, so that would be 8 plus 2 in the numerator, that will be a positive 2, so 8 plus 2 10, so that would be 10 plus 15 times iota, so that would be 10 plus 15 times iota, divided by, in the denominator we have 1 plus 4, that would be positive 5, so then we can say, well, this is definitely 10 divided by 5, that is the real part, plus 15 divided by 5 times iota, that's the imaginary part, and that is obviously equal to 2 plus 3 times iota, and that is our answer. And if you look at our answer options, we have 2 plus 3 times iota under option H, so option H would be the correct option. I hope it made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.